In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to tasks in Wrike. Adding clear, timely comments to your tasks is one of the easiest ways to keep your team aligned, document decisions, and reduce back-and-forth messages. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open a task and post a comment, along with a few best practices to make your comments more useful. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. From your main workspace, navigate to the area or space where your project lives. In this example, we'll open a project called Beginner Campaign. You might find it in your left-hand navigation panel under a relevant space, or in your recent or pinned items. Go ahead and click into that project to open it. Inside the project, you'll see a list or table of tasks associated with that campaign. Locate the task you want to comment on. In this case, we're using a task called Campaign Brief, but in your account, it could be any task that needs feedback, an update, or a question added to it. Click directly on the task name to open the Task Details panel on the right side of your screen. Once the task is open, you'll see its description, assignees, dates, and other details. Below that, you'll find the comment or activity section, usually with a text box where you can type. Click into that comment field to start writing your message. Type in your comment, making it as clear and specific as possible. For example, instead of writing something vague like "looks good," you might write, "Please update the headline to match the latest brand guidelines," or highlight the key dates in the first paragraph so the team can see them at a glance. You can also use this space to ask questions, provide status updates, or summarize decisions. If your plan allows it, you can @mention teammates to notify them directly and draw their attention to your comment. Take a quick moment to review what you've written for clarity and tone. When you're happy with it, look for the Send button next to or below the comment field. Click on Send to post your comment to the task. Your comment is now saved in the task's activity stream, where your teammates can read it, reply, and keep the conversation organized in one place. That's all you need to add comments to tasks in Wrike.